Hey, what's up guys, this is Nate from Motorsports. We're going to be showing you how to apply our pre-cut tint for this lower portion of the tail lamp. As you can see on the upper side of the tail lamp, we already have this tint kit applied. This is our kit that we've had out for a little while now. But this is going to add the additional lower portion. And what you're going to get are 4 pre-cuts, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. So we've already cleaned this area. We're going to start on the quarter and work towards the hatch, just keeping it aligned. This is an air release tint. It's applied dry, so you're not going to have to worry about any bubbles or anything. So once you have the tint aligned, you're going to have to heat the upper and lower to push it into that ridge section. We're going to use a squeegee to help us push it up in there. All right, once that one's on, we're going to move to the one on the quarter. Same thing, starting on this upper corner. So this is the dark smoke tint. This is going to match the dark smoke up here as well. I do have this available in the light smoke as well. The dark smoke is probably about 20%. The light smoke, I say, is probably like a 50%. So now I'm going to show you the lower bumper reflectors and then the third brake lamp as well. So the lower bumper reflectors also come in a pair, one for each side, driver and passenger. On these, starting in the corner, lining it. These are also an air release like all of our other films. So we are doing this dry. So once you got it aligned correctly, you're gonna heat the material, press it into place. where the raised lettering is, if you heat that, and use your thumb just to roll over that, you should be able to get it to set pretty well. On these, there is a dimple right in the center, so you can press that as much as you can get it in. Then you just want to do the edge as well with the squeegee. So installation process on the passenger side is exactly the same. So that's going to be the dark smoke. You get the dark smoke there. On the right, you have nothing. So I guess that's a good comparison picture of the difference. So left side has our tail lamp kit, then the lower tail lamp kit, the dark smoke overlay on the reflector as well. So it's completely tinted out. This will be completely stock. So last thing on this is the third brake light, so I'll show you that next. So the third brake light, it's pretty straightforward as well. Clean. Align it at the top first. Once you get it aligned at the top, make sure that top's nice and tight on there, and then just work this graphic down towards the bottom. So that's the third brake light. Let's back up a little bit. So that would be a lower tint smoke on the reflector, the 20%, the tail lamp kit, the lower tail lamp kit, and then the reflector. So all this is available individually as well as a package on our website. There's links to all the products in the video description below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.